UPS. There comes UPS. Like an Amazon delivers to the canyon. Wonder what they're ordering. Sandwich meat, I hope, because I gotta eat. Cool. The lady told me about this, like, trading post, visitor center, said everything down there is different. They got all different stuff or whatever. Like, watch this one just be way better. Assuming this is even the right place. Like, why isn't there a sign? Oh, this is just a pavilion for like activities, I guess. Oh crap, there might be a trailhead over here. I think the trading post thing is over there. Yes, Kiowa Trail. Awesome. So we know where at least one of them is. Or a couple of them, maybe. Over there. Man, I might have to spend the night here. Well, I want to camp here though, for real. As opposed to like my state park, which would still be pretty cool. Like camping out here, it's got to be pretty sweet. Get some of that Milky Way videos going on. Amphitheater. That ain't what I want. Huh. Camping areas. 30 sites down there. Where's that? There it is. Here's the other trading post. Looks like they have a kitchen. Heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go in here and I'll come back and hopefully we still got some battery life. I'll show you guys what this place is all about.